Moving houses is never smooth, but moving to Pondicherry with muddy roads and sand entering our parking every single day, that, my friend, is next level. And cow dung, I'm not even going to explain that part. But still, this house already feels like a beginning. This video is not a house tour, it's just a glimpse into why we chose this home, what we are learning from it, and how this new Pondi chapter is unfolding for us. This time, I didn't want a big house. I wanted space. Not many rooms, just rooms where we can breathe. I wanted a garden where the dogs can run, a terrace where the wind feels like a therapy, and corners where sunlight falls like a blessing. A smaller house makes you intentional, and that's the energy I want in this chapter. Good morning, everyone. We moved into this house 4 days ago. It was a big chaos everywhere. Yesterday, we could manage to clear out the spaces in the room. Um, yeah, we have a little space to walk around, and we know all the cartons are open and we know where the things are, so we can keep them in their own allotted places. Repair works are going on in the house, and I'm stressing out because it's a lot of loud noise and they've been doing it from the morning. I want them to finish fast and leave the house so that I can do my things, because I'm not able to do my things. I'm not able to relax. I'm not able to watch anything. My dogs are in the other room locked, and I'm sitting here just to keep an eye on them, and if they need anything, I need to be available. After recovering from my illness, I've been consciously rebuilding my healthy self again. I've gone back to yoga, eating right, spending time in the garden, being with the dogs, feeding the cows, noticing the little creatures living around our home, watching the movies I love, and resting whenever my body asks for it. I've lived in big houses before. Honestly, it was nice, but it didn't feel like us. This house has fewer rooms, but each room has space. We don't need 10 doors. We need one good room where all three of us can sit and talk. And the dogs, they don't need big rooms, they need us. And then reality enters, literally. Every road outside our house brings mud, sand, and occasionally cow dung. So every time the dogs go for a walk, they come back with a full Pondy souvenir kit. We are adjusting, they are adjusting. I think all of us are learning patience in different ways. My kitchen is tiny compared to the last one. At first, I was like, where will all my jars go? And the house said, they won't. So I removed almost all the jars I was hoarding. And honestly, it felt good. This kitchen made me simplify without giving me an option. And I like that. On one of those late nights, I sat down and pulled out some jars to use for propagating a few plants. I've been slowly rearranging and resetting every corner, figuring out one thing at a time. I cleared out old medical files, found a loving new home for our beloved sofa, and I've given the cartons for recycling. The old me would have kept some of them just in case, but now I'm removing things as soon as I know I won't use them. The clothes situation is decent. Not too much, not too little, just manageable. And that itself is such a relief.
Kiara and I share one rack in the cupboard, and Krishna has his own side. He hasn't had the time to arrange it yet, so I'm not showing it right now. We also have a common rack where we keep the t shirts, and three of us share as home clothes. It saves space and helps us own fewer things. If you have any questions about this shared rack system that I built, feel free to ask in the comments. I'm happy to explain.
I think this house came at the right time. Something about it feels like a reset, a home where we can slow down, breathe deeper, and grow differently. Not bigger, just more meaningfully. Should I show the whole house? To be honest, everyone is asking to see how our house looks, and I'm sure many people are waiting to see it. But right now, it's not ready. It's not the way I want to share it. The house tour maybe later when the house settles, when we settle. Thank you for being part of this journey. Here's to smaller homes, bigger hearts, and new beginnings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mindful lifestyle videos. See you soon.